We're after getting a lot of rain, but it rains then it gets sunny. Rains and sunny. Time waits for no man. In fact, I think it's rained every day at least once for the past 34 days or something like that. There's a lot of rain. No fires though. Today is cabin skirting day. Here we go again. I'll soon have my jacket worn out. Putting it on, taking it off. Don't have the proper screws here today for this, but this will keep it there for the time being. Anytime now. Put that up there for 5 minutes, I guess. Well, there you have it. I got that side done. And I crept up around this corner here too, making my way in there. Just wanted to see how it all going to fit out, you know, once I got at it. And it seems to go under pretty good. A lot of you did ask me about if I was going to insulate my floor or my skirting, and the answer is actually I'm going to insulate both. This is step one. I wasn't even going to do this yet. I was going to wait until I had my cabin built, but it's just where the delay is happening. I figured I'd go ahead and fill up the time by doing this. The main reason I didn't want to do this yet was because I wanted as much light as possible up underneath while I do my plumbing and the electrical and stuff, but I'll manage, I'm sure. So I was going to put some metal skirting on there, I figured. And I'd like to, ultimately, but I priced it today and it's not happening. Whoa, you talk about expensive. And so then I looked at other options, 1/2-inch plywood and that kind of stuff, good one side, but still, like, that is like, it's still extremely expensive. Lumber seems to be gone down a little bit. Like this 2x3x8 I bought was like half price as what it was about a month ago. But plywood for some reason has not dropped at all. So I do have some 1/4-inch plywood that I have here in stock, and I might just pop that on there for the time being, and then when I, you know, if I do get some metal siding, whatever, I can just put that right on over it. So I might give that a try just to see what it turns out like. Can't hurt being there. Lots of help today. I got Andrew down in the tractor, and we got Joe, my old buddy Joe. He's helped me out doing a bit of cutting or speeding up the progress today quite well. And look at this, it's actually sunny. that water's looking awful good, and we've been working a ton. In fact, I haven't caught a fish all summer, which is highly irregular for me. Joe was here, so I think we'll take a little run out in boat and see if we can catch yourself a fish. Well, it's actually rained so much today. I have all of my rain gear soaked through and leaking in around the sleeves, and so I'm forced now to actually put on chest waders to try and stay a little bit dry anyway. I'm not sure if it'll ever stop, but you know, you get used to the rain, but at the same time it's certainly not comfortable.
Oh, you're so wet. A wet big butt. Yeah. Big butt. That's who you are. I haven't called you that in a long time. Yeah.
The sun! Well, guys, I'll take that little bit of sun that's popping through today, and it's time for us to get this skirting finished off. Let's go. Well, we got it all done except for that one little corner up there. I'm going to leave that to do my access for my plumbing and electrical and that kind of thing. But it worked out pretty good. She's completely insulated, skirted all the way around. I'm going to put trims on all of those corner pieces on there afterwards. And I'm going to get some special flashing made up to go over here to keep the rain off of that. And that should be fine and dandy. Well, that's another thing done. Now it's time for that cabin to get here.
What do you think, my dog? What do you got there? You give me that, you.
Guys, thanks for tuning in. Fingers crossed that the cabin shows up sooner than later. I'm ready for it now. I know there's been delays, but out of our control. We'll see what happens in the next few days. Until the next video, guys, take care of each other. Get outside and enjoy everything outdoors. We'll see you next time. Guaranteed.